Greetings YouTube world. So just a quick video on the rare pigeons. So this grizzle over here is not actually the father of these two chicks that I'm gonna talk about. Neither is that check sitting there. But these two chicks, that's two yellow pigeons. That's actually a success in my yellow breeding project, which I'm gonna show you the father and the mother of these two pigeons in a minute. There we go. Yellow pigeon breeding success. So, like I said, entering the color loft now. That's not the father to those two yellows. That's the beautiful father of those two yellow pigeons. And the reason why I floated those two eggs was so they can lay again. And he's back on eggs again. So yeah, hoping for some more yellow pigeons. And now I'll show you what I paired him to. There we go. That's the mother of those yellows. So, yellow pigeon, blue check hen. Dark check hen is actually the best, but yeah, that one works for me. Hope you all like this video on this rare color pigeon. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and see you all in the next one.